Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have any of the following vehicles now, guys, any of the following vehicles, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge, guys, Promaster City with the 2.4 Multiair engine, also known as Tigershark Engine, guys, we will explain what needs to be done to remove and replace your AC compressor. Now, as you can see, we have the engine out of the car. Why? Because we guys have more than 100 videos on that engine alone, and we want to show you with a great detail how to do things, how to remove things, and if that engine is in the vehicle, it's practically, guys, impossible. That engine's been used in multiple vehicles, so that's why we listed those now. In addition, guys, every car we get at the shop will be making at least 200 videos. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's go ahead, start on it, and show you guys what needs to be done now. This is the engine right here. When you open, guys, the hood of your vehicle, that's what the engine will look like. Now, before you actually go ahead and start removing, guys, okay, your AC compressor, you will need to make sure that you drain your AC system completely. The correct way is to take it to a shop and they vacuum the Freon out of the system. What they do, they hook it to a machine. The machine sucks all the Freon refrigerant out of the system. Do not let it out in the atmosphere, guys, because it can you're going to kill the ozone. There is a big fine in most of the countries and states for that, so don't do that. In addition, guys, okay, if you do not drain the system, you guys can get seriously hurt, because when you disconnect the AC lines, they will be under serious pressure and can fly in your eyes, skin. That's not good for you. So consider that entertaining another how-to video, guys, if especially if you don't know what you're doing. So this is, guys, okay, the engine out of the car, and being out, we can show you with a great detail everything. This is, guys, the AC compressor right here. You can see you will have, guys, one line, two lines here with one nut usually that it attaches. Okay, let me show you quick where they are. Okay, that's what it's going to look like this one. This is the line, and you need to remove the nut. You pull it out. This is only after you drain the refrigerant. No Freon in the system, guys. After that, what do you need to do? We need to remove the serpentine belt. Okay, the only way to do that now, guys, is by using a 16mm wrench socket. You're going to go counterclockwise, remove the belt from the idle pulley, and get it out. Now, what else we need to do, okay, to remove that compressor? We need to disconnect the wires. You have two wires. One is for the AC clutch, one is for the pressure solenoid. So press down and disconnect. Perfect. Here, guys, you have two clamps holding like that, so you need to just grab and pull them. Okay, and one will be towards the back. If you need to buy a new compressor, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can purchase one for your vehicle for a good price, fast shipping. So here now, 13mm socket now, guys, and okay, I'm trying to focus here and show you. There is one bolt on the right side, perfect. There is one bolt on the left bottom side, and there is one on top. Once you remove the one on top, it will drop and it can hurt you really bad, especially if it falls on your head if you're working under the vehicle. That's how you will be removing it usually, from under the vehicle. And the compressor comes out. Putting that thing together, guys, practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. You need to recharge your AC system. We have the video on that. It explains how to do that. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you doing that repair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.